Hello, nice to meet you.
Hello, nice to meet you too.
How can I help you?
My name is Manuela Galvis. I am interested in the job.
Okay. Well, I tell you about the job. We need a coordinator logistic who manage personnel and have experience in the field.
Okay.
How old are you?
I am 23 years old.
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Ottawa.
Okay. What is your marital status?
I am single.
Okay. Which are your studies?
I am management system, quality, environmental, security, occupation, technologies. And I am studying industrial engineer.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
Do exercise, go to eat, and drink cocktail with my friends.
Perfect. Tell me about your work experience, weakness, and abilities to this job.
Okay. I have experience personal management, quality, environmental, security, occupation, logistics, and process monitoring. My abilities are leadership, teamwork, resolution problem. My weakness is strong temperament.
Perfect. I like your curriculum and we will call you.
Okay, thank you.